Welcome all. This is Aditya Soni. This is an audio based story based on differentiation, or you can call them derivatives. The main motto of this story is to just give you an idea about what is the use of differentiation in the real life. It is not strictly based on differentiation. The video's main propaganda or the agenda is to provide you an idea regarding how differentiation works in the real life. I hope you will enjoy the story. Due to lack of resources due to COVID-19 virus, I was not able to purchase a new mic for this video. So I am making this video using my own microphone. The quality can be a bit low because of my microphone, but I have tried my best to give you the best version I can provide. So enjoy the video. Thanks.
A long time ago, a war was raging between the army of men and demons. The demons were very powerful foe. The demons were using their extraordinary powers. They were so fast that while running, a human eye cannot comprehend their movement. They move in a zigzag pattern and thus it becomes very hard to target. Again, human tries their bow and arrow, but to no avail. This results in massive defeats for humans on different fronts. The best way to kill those demons is with fire arrows, as their body was weak against fire, and combining fire with an arrow makes it very deadly weapon. These demons were 10 feet tall and thus it was very tough to fight them with swords and spear. But the problem was that these demons travel very quickly and zigzag pattern, which makes them very tough target to hit them with arrows. Humans were on brink of extinction if they don't find any solution quickly, but one battle was going to change everything. Year 542 BA, Battle of Pripyat.
What happened, soldier?
My lord, I have seen an army of demons marching towards us. Looks like they want to capture Pripyat fortress. They will be here in 3 hours at most.
We can't let them capture Pripyat fortress. This is the last strong fort, which provides security to our eastern towns and cities.
We are losing every war with those demons. What should we do now?
Oracles have foretold that a person named Naveen will help us to win this battle. The person resides in this town. He is known for his mathematical calculations. Present him here fast. Maybe he can help us.
As you say, my lord.
You have asked for me, my lord?
Yes, Naveen. Oracles have foretold us that you will help us to win this battle. Demons are marching here and will be here in 2 hours. The only way to kill them is with fire arrows. But those demons travel so fast and zigzag pattern that our arrows can't hit them. Can you help us with that?
I am working on a method known as the calculus method. Calculus will be going to help us in this battle. A few months ago, gods have shown me the right equation in my dream, and from that time I was working on calculus. It includes differentiation and integration process.
I didn't get it. How they work?
You will understand their essence soon, but first send your soldiers in front of the fortress. We need to draw something on the ground before the enemy arrives.
Okay, you should come and guide them.
Soldiers, you should go and create 2 lines in front of the castle. Create 1 line from east to west direction and create a second line from north to south direction. The line should be visible to archers well. You should also create different points in the space between those 2 lines.
How are these lines going to help us to win the battle anyway?
Yes, my lord. Is these lines some sort of magical lines which will help us to stop the demons?
No, my friends, you will soon understand.
After 2 hours. They are here. The demons are here. The demons are here.
Soldiers, prepare yourself.
Archers are ready, my lord.
All archers should follow my command. Every archer can see different points with a number on the ground. Can you see them all?
Yes, we can see them.
You will shoot arrows on those points when I say to you. I will say the point name and you will shoot arrows.
Yes, sir.
But let me analyze their movement first. Let them come some near to the fortress. Until then, try to shoot them.
Aye.
Why are you holding writing pad and ink pen? Are you going to solve maths problem here in middle of the battle?
I think so.
Demons are coming towards us. Now it's the best time to do your magic, Naveen.
Give me a minute.
We don't have that minute.
Here, soldiers, attack point 5.
Direct hit.
Attack point 9.
Direct hit.
And in this way, archers started attacking the demon's army. They were able to hit the demons very accurately. Captain was amazed about this sorcery of Naveen. He asked Naveen in the middle of the battle.
Explain this phenomena to me, Naveen.
In between battle?
Demons are retreating. We have won this for sure.
Well, let me explain to you in a very simple manner.
I am all ears.
It's called the use of differentiation or derivatives.
Oh,
You can easily shoot a person who is coming in a straight direction, isn't it, Captain?
yes, Naveen. We can easily hit a person coming in a straight direction as we can easily anticipate their next move.
Yes, but when these demons run in zigzag pattern with very quick speed, you can't anticipate their direction. Is it right?
Yes?
Here I use differentiation method.
Differentiation method.
Yes, differentiation method.
How it works and why we use it.
This method is used when we need to check how different things are changing with time. Differentiation means to break something into smaller parts, just like you break your coffee beans into coffee powder. When you break something big into smaller parts, then you can work with it easily.
Can you explain this to me more clearly?
Yes, my lord. It looks like many of our soldiers are injured today.
Yes, 20% of our soldiers are injured.
Now tell me, my lord, do doctors heal your whole army or just the soldiers who are injured?
We only need to heal injured soldiers. Otherwise, we don't have enough medicines and resources for the whole army. We can only heal injured soldiers, and healing every soldier of the army requires too much time and money.
That's right, my lord. You are using a differentiation method here. You have divided your army into two parts. One is healthy soldiers group and the other one is injured soldier group. Now you will work with injured soldiers only, and thus your efficiency will increase.
Oh, I get it. But how this method help us to win this war? And how we were able to target the demons?
It is a little tricky, but I will do my best to explain to you. Can you see the two lines in front of us? One is from east to west and other is north to south.
Yes, and I can see the points too, which you have marked.
Yes. Now, my lord, let's name those lines. The line from east to west will be called as line X, and the line from north to south can be called as line Y.
Okay, line X and line Y.
Now we know that demons were moving in zigzag pattern and coming towards us.
Yes, that's why we were not able to shoot them.
Now with the help of those parts, I was able to see their movement. I just calculated their movement in a small area when they were charging toward us to attack. Then I created an equation in my mind regarding their movement while they were moving towards us. After getting the equation, I just need to use the distance between us and the castle to know about their location so that we can shoot an arrow towards them. Like, say the demon is moving towards us with a speed of x square. X square means we multiply x by x. So x into x is x square. Now the differentiation of x square is 2x. After getting the derivative of x square, we can simply enter the distance left between a demon and the castle to get the value of demon position.
That's why you were able to predict their movement.
Yes, by doing so we can know how they move and hence we can shoot them with ease.
The differentiation method looks tough, but it is easy.
Yes, I have developed formulas for it. There are many formulas. You can just learn them and use them to solve equations which will help us to predict their movement.
You have turned the tide of war, Naveen. With you and your calculus, we can just defeat those demons and save human civilization.
I hope so. Sometimes just by breaking up problems into a smaller part, we can solve them with ease. You can't break many sticks together, but you can break sticks with ease one by one.
Soldiers, prepare yourself. Send a letter to King Prepar regarding our victory and ask him to send additional troops to us. We will now attack demons and kill them while freeing our beloved country.
Yes, sir.
Here we come, demons. Victory!
And that's how human defeated demons, by using differentiation method. In summary, we use differentiation when we need to find out the change in function with respect to a different value. For example, we can differentiate 2x with respect to time, and the value we got will be a derivative. Differentiation means breaking big things into smaller parts and calculate the change with respect to the given parameter, like the change of speed with respect to time.